Alright, good morning everyone. Happy United Nations Day. Okay? Are you all excited to hear our winners for today? Will it be from grade 1? Will it be from grade 2? How about from grade 3? Or will it be from grade 4? Of course, hindi magpapatalo ang grade 5. Kaway-kaway mo naman dyan, grade 6. Alright, so today, we're not just celebrating effort and time for this wonderful event, but also we are celebrating diversity and unity amidst the current situation of our nations. With that, we all deserve a resounding applause. Let's give ourselves a resounding applause. Okay. Now for our top 3 contenders, we have our top 3. First, to move on, for the top 3 is from, in the male category, from grade 6. Ano yung ilis ko eh? Na minus in ilis. Again, let me remind everyone that for the top 3, it's not in particular order. Okay? No particular order. May top 3 pa man. For the top 3, for female category, we have from grade 3. Grade 3. Please step forward. Ayan lang ka, pasok ka sa top 3. And the next to move on in the top 3 is from grade 4, male category. Now for female, for Miss United Nations top 3,
grade 4.
we have from grade 6. And last, for the top 3 is, in the male category, grade 5. And for our female category, is from grade 5 as well. Congratulations. Ayan, top 3 pa lang tayo. Okay? Now, please remember, pupils, that you are all winners in your own way. Okay? Hindi rin naman uwing luwaan ng ating mga participants this morning. Of course, our participants who did not make it for the top 3 will also receive certificates, a cash, a bouquet. Char lang. Okay. For the certificate of participation, allow me to read the citation.